Hello there, and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you two super easy ways to edit your WordPress website. No developer needed, and no extra budget required. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So, grab your laptop, and let's get started on making your website look amazing. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to Appearance and select Customize. This is where the magic happens. You can easily adjust your site's layout, update content, and make it look exactly how you want, all without touching any code. First things first, let's give your site a personal touch and make it truly yours. We'll begin by updating the site identity. This is where you replace the default site name with your own. It's a quick change, but it has a huge impact on establishing your unique brand. After that, we'll upload your custom logo to make your website stand out even more. It's a simple step that makes a big difference in creating a unique brand for your website. Now, let's move on to editing the header section. In this area, you'll be able to customize the layout of your header, change the text and hover color of your menu, and even update your contact details like your email and address. It's a quick way to personalize your website and make it truly yours. You can also tweak media settings, choose which elements to display, and even ensure your header looks great on all devices with responsive settings. Under the Colors tab, you can easily customize key elements of your site, including the body text color, primary color, and hover color, allowing you to create a unique and visually appealing design that matches your brand. This version is a bit more engaging and provides a clearer explanation of what each option allows you to do. In the menu customization section, you can easily manage various elements of your site, including the footer menu, footer widgets, main menu, and header menu. This gives you full control over your site's navigation and layout, allowing you to create a seamless and user-friendly experience for your visitors. In the Customize section of your site, you have the flexibility to manage and edit various elements, allowing you to create a more engaging layout for your audience. Simply scroll through the available sections, find the ones you want to update, and make the necessary changes. Once you're satisfied with your edits, just hit Publish to save your changes and make them live. The next method to easily edit your WordPress site is by using Elementor, a powerful page builder that makes customization a breeze. To get started, simply go to your Plugins section, click Add New, search for Elementor, and click Install and Activate. Since I already have it installed, I'll show you how to get the most out of it and take your website design to the next level. When you have Elementor activated on your site, you'll notice the Edit with Elementor button appear at the top of your page, like this. Simply click on it, and you'll be taken to the Elementor editor where you can easily start updating and customizing your site. What makes Elementor truly amazing is its ability to edit your website across multiple device sizes, laptop, tablet, and phone. This feature ensures your site is fully responsive, delivering a seamless user experience no matter how visitors access it. With Elementor, you can easily optimize your website for all screen sizes, making sure it looks great and functions perfectly on any device. To edit or change the content on any section of your site, simply click on it. From the left sidebar, you can easily modify and update the elements to fit your needs. Elementor comes in two versions, the free version and the pro version. With the free version, you get access to basic features, but there are some limitations when it comes to customization and advanced design options. On the other hand, with Elementor Pro, you unlock a whole range of powerful tools and features that give you much more flexibility and control over your website's design and functionality. In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit your WordPress site using the free version of Elementor. It's super simple. Just click on any section or element you want to change. For example, if you want to update the title, just click on the title, and all the editing options will appear on the left side. From there, you can easily adjust the text, font, size, and more. All you need to do is identify the element you want to change, and you can easily make the update. To change and manage text alignment, text color, hover effects, and text positioning, simply head over to the Style section. There, you'll have full control over how your text looks and behaves. To change any photo or image on your WordPress site, simply click on the image you want to replace. On the left side, you'll see an option to upload your new image. You can either upload an image directly from your device or, if the image is linked, you can replace it by pasting the link to your new design. To change any icon on your site, simply click on the icon you want to update. On the left side, you'll see an option to upload your chosen icon. You can easily upload it directly from your device. If you're a beginner looking to customize your WordPress site, Elementor is the perfect tool to get started. It's user-friendly and gives you complete control over your site's design. If you'd like a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to use Elementor, drop a comment below. I'd be happy to create a full design from scratch using Elementor just for you.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared.
To add a new section to your website, start by selecting the desired location. Click on the plus symbol icon, then choose the Add Section option. From there, simply drag and drop elements like titles, images, or other components from the left-hand menu into your new section. It's that easy to customize your site. Once you're satisfied with your design, don't forget to publish and save your changes to make everything live. And that's it for today's tutorial. We've explored two powerful ways to edit your WordPress website: the built-in template customizer for quick global changes and the versatile Elementor for detailed page-by-page design. Editing your website doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these tools, you can create a stunning, professional-looking site in no time. No coding required. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest web design tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, drop them in the comments below.